The daily life of seaman can be quite different from the of person living on land. Seafarers often work long hours and spend weeks or even a month at sea, away from their families and friends. The workday of a seaman typically begins early in the morning. Seafarers are often required to work 12-hour shift with a few hours of rest in between shifts. The workday may begin with a safety briefing during with the crew and inform of any hazards of safety issues that need presence of the ship. The work performed by the seafarers varies depending on their job, role, and the type of vessel they are working on. Deck officer, for example, are responsible for navigating the ship, handling the cargo, and maintaining the vessel equipment. Engineers are responsible for the maintenance and repair of the ship's engine, while the catering staff is, is responsible for preparing meals for the whole crew. During the workdays, seafarers must also be prepared to respond to emergencies. They may be required to conduct drills or respond to actual emergencies, such as a fires of main overboard situation. Seafarers must be well trained and prepared to act quickly and effectively in this situation to ensure the safety of the crew and the ship. In their free times, seafarers may engage in the recreational activities such as reading, watching movies, or playing games. Some ships maybe have onboard gyms or other facility for physical exercise. Okay, let's talk about marine engineer works. Marine engineers work to operate, maintain, monitor, and repair mechanical system aboard all manners of marine. Do engineer work on ship? Yes. Ship engineers maintain machinery and equipment for various parts of the fleet and are responsible for the overall operation, maintenance, and repair of engines, deck machinery, heating, power generation, and electrical wiring aboard. What kind of engineers work on ships? Ship engineer operate and maintain a vessel's propulsion system, which includes the engine, boilers, generators, pumps, and other machinery. Large vessels usually carry out a ship engineer who has command of the engine room and its crew, and a first engineer, second engineer, and a third assistant engineer.